Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at how to crochet the daisy stitch. And so to get started, you're going to want to have your foundation chain to be an odd number. I am doing 21 chains here, and so to get started I'm going to go into my second chain from the hook, grab a loop and pull through, go into my next stitch here and pull through. You are then going to skip your next one, go into the following one, pull through a loop for a total of 4 loops. Then you are going to yarn over and pull through 4. Okay, to lock it in and finish it up, you're going to chain 1. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into that opening created by your chain and grab a loop. You are then going to go into the last foundation chain you went into in the previous stitch, like so. You are going to skip the next chain, grab your 4th loop, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and then chain 1 to finish it off. That is what you're going to do for the remainder of this row. To show it again, so you're going to go through the opening created by your chain, go into the last chain you did for your previous stitch, skip a chain, go to the next one for your 4th loop, yarn over, pull through 4, and then chain 1 to lock it in. Okay, so we're going to finish this row, and then we're going to look into how to start your next row. So once you have gotten to the end of the row and you have done your last chain 1 to finish a stitch, you are going to chain 2 additional for a total of 3 and turn. Then what you are going to do is you're going to go into your second chain from your hook, grab a loop, okay, and there we go. And then you're going to go into the 3rd chain from your hook and grab another loop. Now you're going to skip this first chain and go into this little keyhole opening right here for your 4th, yarn over, pull through 4, and then do your 1 chain. You're going to do very similar to what you did on your foundation row, where you're going to go into that chain 1 opening. You're going to go into the stitch you just went into on your previous stitch. You're going to skip right here, and again you're going to go into this opening that was made in the previous row. And you will just continue that all the way across to the end. And for your last stitch, you're going to start it the same way, but you're going to, since there's nothing over here, what you're going to do is you're going to go into that chain stitch that you made into your previous row in order to finish it off. Once you're done with several rows of the daisy stitch, it should look something like this. And so hopefully this will help you with your next project so that it can look how you want it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye!